The head of Pakistan, Khan, he was a great cricket player. He became the head of Pakistan. He said it was the biggest moment in my life. When I heard that Soleimani was killed, I left my office. I walked to my home. I stayed in my home in solitude for 1 week. It was the biggest event that ever happened to me. He was the biggest cricket player. That's like being a great NFL player, a great baseball player. He was said to be just about the best. Handsome guy. He became the boss, Pakistan. He said, I left and I contemplated for 1 week. It was the biggest event of my life. I've never had anything like that happen. And many people felt like that. And I heard there were repercussions, all of the things, but you have no choice. You have no choice. I told the story the other night, which I'd never told before, that when Iran shot down a drone,